Did you know? In the time it takes to scroll past this video, your bones are being eaten alive. This isn't just an old person problem, it's a skeletal war you can't escape. Imagine slamming onto the pavement. Your knees just took a hit equal to 3 times your body weight. That fall triggered a magnitude 7 earthquake in the microscopic world. Let's go inside. Welcome to the trabecular bone. It's not solid rock. It's a precision-engineered honeycomb. Luckily, our MVP, the Osteoblast foreman, is already on patrol. But his nemesis is here too. Meet this purple glutton.
The Osteoclast.
Don't let the cute face fool you. He spits acid that dissolves bone, squeezing calcium back into your blood like toothpaste. When you're young, these two are a perfect team. One builds, one breaks. A perfect dynamic equilibrium. But if you sit all day or skip sleep, the purple eaters throw a party. And they breed faster than the foreman. Construction can't keep up with destruction. The foundation gets hollowed out, and your bones become as brittle as eggshells. Is it game over? Don't panic. It's time for a rescue mission. Memorize this supply list now. First, send bricks. Calcium is the building block. 2 glasses of milk or soy milk a day keeps the supply line running. Second, hire movers. Bricks are useless without vitamin D to carry them. 15 minutes of sun a day, free and effective. Third, install the rebar. Half your bone is collagen. Eat meat and beans to keep the structure flexible. Fourth, issue orders. Bones are lazy. They won't grow without pressure. Weight-bearing exercise is the command to get to work. Finally, don't sabotage the mission. Cut the soda and excess caffeine. They steal your bricks while you're not looking. Supplies arrived. Look, with bricks and rebar in hand, the foreman transforms into a super builder. With materials, repair speed skyrockets. The cracks are filled, and the new bone is harder than steel. Restoration complete. That's the miracle of the human body. Even the purple monster is sleeping peacefully now. Want more body secrets? Subscribe and like. Don't let the foreman go hungry. Peace.